sila, nahimatay kasi si Miss Criminology. So, sasagutin niya yung final question via video call, social.
Okay, so here is the question, candidate number 2. Palawan is home to one of the largest nickel mines in the Philippines, and its rich natural resources also include gold, silver, and marble. However, mining has raised concerns about environmental damage such as deforestation and flooding. Do you believe mining should continue in Palawan, and why?
First time to First time ko makapanood ng ganito.
Mining Palawan should be stopped because of deforestation, flooding, and water pollution that can have long-lasting impact. Mining also damage our province natural beauty. I believe that by prioritizing our environmental protection and
So, ayun. At least, diba, sumagot siya. Yan ang modern technology.